Hi, I'm Dave with Bright Green, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install our GroVert living wall planters. Each planter comes with a mounting bracket with 2 screw holes in it, and we're going to screw it to our vertical surface. We want to make sure that the bracket is level. Looks good. The planter is notched out in the back, so you can see how it fixes to the mounting bracket. And voila. So to irrigate the planter, we have our irrigator tank that snaps into the top of the planter. Open the lid up and there's drip holes in there. Fill it with water as needed, and the drip holes allow the water to drip through the planter down. And that's how it works. Thanks a lot, and for more ideas, check us out at brightgreenusa.com.